Come clean up a wool coat with me. I had thrifted this cream wool coat for $15. The first thing I like to do is take a fabric shaver to get rid of all the pilling so that as I'm hand washing, I can see if there's any spots or any issues that need to be addressed. This coat is a little dirty, but really no major staining or any construction issues, and the buttons are surprisingly intact. One of the most common places that wool will rub will be under the arms. So after getting this taken care of, it took about an hour to shave this coat. I was finally able to get rid of all the pilling, and really it's now ready for a good soak. I did leave it in the bathtub for about an hour, just in light detergent with room temperature water. And after rinsing, I just had laid flat to dry overnight and then hung it up for a day or two before wearing it and putting it away.